Hey everyone, so here's my phone, but I'm gonna show you something that has been bugging me. It's a Galaxy Z Fold 4, and it came with this. It came with this casing, and then I figured out it actually came with screen protectors as well. But this is the thing that has been bugging me. Let me show you what it is. So when you open up the phone, look in the middle. Look how it's peeling. You can see, and now the crease, at first it was going like up to here, but now it goes all the way until the end, and that shit looks ugly. When you see the bubbles in it over here, they did a great job to begin with. Like, you cannot even tell they had a screen protector on it until you looked at like the edges of the phone right there, and I thought that's how the screen had to look like. But now with that pail over there, I'm hating the guts of that thing. So what's gonna happen, I'm not even gonna let my phone look like that, because I'm worried in the middle of here maybe the dot could go in there or something, and that will actually look more ugly on the screen. So what's gonna happen, I'm gonna go ahead and peel it off. Look how it looks when you see it from that angle. That is some ugly. And look up where it begins from. It has actually started accumulating some tissue in there and dust. So I'm going to go ahead and peel it off. Like, I just can't look at my phone like that. I'm going to peel it off, and hopefully I could use my phone without a screen protector and it will be working normal. I actually never put screen protectors on my phones ever. So what's going to go ahead and happen here, I'm going to go ahead and go in there where it's already peeled. Let me see if I can focus on it right there where it's already peeled. I'm just gonna go ahead and peel the entire thing off, and hopefully my screen will stay okay and normal. You see, like, look at this. You can hold on to it. You can hold on to it like that. That's not good. That's not pretty. I'm just gonna there you go. It comes off. All of it comes off. There you go. I'm gonna just peel it back. That's actually satisfying. And there you go. I have it off. Sorry to see it go. I kind of like the idea that they send it to me with this thing on it already installed, and I didn't have to worry about it. But for some reason, maybe I was actually not even using my screen to the whole potential. So maybe when I take it off, then I can experience my screen the way it was meant to be experienced. But I have no idea how my phone is going to be protected after this. If anything happens, I'll give you guys an update. But for now, I'm taking this shit off, and I'm going to use my phone the way it probably was meant to be. Hopefully it will be good, and I don't have to crack my phone because I draw and paint a lot, and hopefully it can work out. So let's see what the screen looks like without that on it. I was worried it would gather some dirt over there and actually mess up the screen, but apparently it looks flawless. It looks even better without the screen protector on it. Turn on the phone. Yeah, I think the experience should be good without the screen protector, but how long can I keep it protected? I don't know. I'll give you guys an update. It definitely looks even much better without the screen protector. Alright, that was it, guys. I just wanted to vent about how my phone screen protector peeled off, and for some reason I had this idea I can't stand looking at it like that. It's actually aggravating. I just peeled it off, and I'll give you an update of how we're going to be working without it on. Alright, bye-bye for now.